Hazur, I think specifically she wants to know about the person who claims he's from God. يتقول على الله.
Who's an imposter. I think the question was about that. That's what I understand.
I answered the question wrongly because I didn't understand it properly. So what is the question about an imposter?
She wants to know, is there an exact number of years where Allah will allow him to spread his lies?
The only inference I have read about this is the inference of Muslim. He said after the Holy Prophet was revealed to be the Prophet of Allah, and he declared himself to be a messenger of God, he got a lifespan of 23 years. So any imposter should die within that 23 years, because he can't live as long as Rasulullah ﷺ lived. So this is an argument, in fact, he presented to the world in his own favor. He said, being an imposter, how could I have lived more than 23 years after my claim to have been from God? The imposters should not be given as long a period of telling lies against, forging lies against God as Rasulullah ﷺ was given.